Investec is active in investment banking, private banking and asset management. It was established in 1974 and operates mostly in the UK, South Africa and Australia. It recently announced a deal to sell part of its asset management business to staff. Investec has a combined market cap of 36.7 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 19.2 and a dividend yield of 3.6. Interesting in terms of the share price there. Levan, do you want to give us a little colour?
Well, the stock does seem to have moved sideways. Investec has been a business leader in terms of investment banking. Their corporate finance business has been top of the pops for at least the 30 years that I've been keeping an eye on the stock. Through the 80s, it's been top 100 company a few years in a row. More recently, its exposure to Europe, to English banking in particular, that has been its downfall. Whilst the business is very innovative and has got a growing footprint in Australasia, unfortunately, the problems in the UK have come through to hurt them. We've heard it in 2008. There's about 4 different
Sash is
brands.
nodding there. You agree completely with what Levan is saying here.
Tarred with the same brush. I think that's what Levan's trying to get across.
It's a sentiment thing. If all banks in UK are under pressure.
You know, it's become a swear word to be a banker. You know, they were the poster boys for the financial crisis, rightly or wrongly. And I think what you get as a shareholder owning Investec is alignment with senior management. So I think if you add up all the stakes of staff and senior management, it's plus minus 10%, maybe a little bit more. So you're certainly aligned, and some of those shareholders, interestingly, are the founders of this business. So you've got to be asking yourself the question, what's the next generation of Investec management? What do they look like? And I think this deal with the asset management crowd, it might sound like a good idea at face value, but it might have been done, the deal might have been done with a gun pointed to someone's head, you know.
Do you think so, Levan?
I agree 100%. They would probably have walked away and started their own business if they didn't do this staff.
So it was a big staff retention.
I really think it was their way of retaining talent, making sure that there's some sort of succession within the business. I maintain that Investec's a very good business and it's very well run. Their timing is just unfortunate. It's just a question of bad luck. Strategic moves into North America, into the into the UK and Australia certainly had the right theme, and it was adventurous banking. Unfortunately, 2008.
Hot or not on Investec?
I'm going to have to go not. I think more banking regulations, specifically in some of the environments that they operate in, are going to crimp margins over time, and banks are going, in that sort of instance, are going to become more utility-like, unfortunately.
Levan, hot or not?
Not.